Part 1. Fix iPhone Unavailable No Timer Using iPhone Unlocker. Step 1. Open the iPhone Unlocker and select the Unlock Screen Passcode mode. Click Start to unlock. Then press Start and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. The software will automatically detect your device model. You can choose a different storage location for the firmware package. Then click Download to start the firmware download. Step 3. Click Unlock to proceed. Carefully read the notice. Enter 0000 to confirm your consent to unlock the device, and then click Unlock again. Step 4. In just a few minutes, your iPhone screen passcode will be successfully removed. Part 2. Fix iPhone Unavailable No Timer via iCloud. If Find My iPhone is enabled on your device, you can remotely erase the device data and unlock it through iCloud. Step 1. Access the iCloud website on your computer or another device. Step 2. Log in using the Apple ID associated with the target device. Step 3. Go to the Find My iPhone page. Click on All Devices in the top menu, and select your locked device. Step 4. On the Device Details page, click the Erase iPhone option. Step 5. After confirming the action, the device will be remotely erased and the lock will be removed. Step 6. Once the erase is complete, you can choose to restore data from a backup or set up the device as new. Part 3. Fix iPhone Unavailable No Timer Using iTunes. If your device has no timer and cannot be unlocked, iTunes can help you restore it to factory settings. Step 1. Make sure the latest version of iTunes is installed on your computer and open the software. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and enter recovery mode. For devices with a home button, press and hold the home button and the power button until the screen displays the icon to connect to iTunes. For devices without a home button, quickly press the volume up and volume down buttons. Then press and hold the power button until the device enters recovery mode. Step 3. iTunes will detect that your device is in recovery mode and prompt you with a message. Click Restore. Step 4. iTunes will download the necessary software and restore the device. The entire process may take a few minutes. Step 5. Once completed, the device will be reset to its factory settings and should be ready for use. Part 4. Fix iPhone Unavailable No Timer via Erase iPhone feature. This feature is available on iPhones running iOS 15.2 and later excluding iOS 17/18. However, you must meet certain prerequisites. Make sure Find My is enabled on your iPhone. Ensure the device is connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. You must know the Apple ID details used to sign in on the iPhone. Step 1. While on the iPhone Unavailable No Timer screen, tap the Erase iPhone button in the bottom right corner. Step 2. A notification will appear, explaining the consequences of using the Erase iPhone option to unlock your device. Click Erase iPhone again to proceed. Step 3. Enter the Apple ID password associated with the iPhone in the provided field. Your device will then be wiped automatically. Step 4. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will reboot. You can then set it up and create a new screen passcode.